let's start with the second part of automation anywhere. Now, we have understood what is automation. Now, let's see what are the types of automation. Broadly, there are various types of automation, but then one may have spent a good deal of time deciding whether or not automation was right for our operation or not, because that is a decision which has to be taken before you go for automation. If we decide to add automated assembly machines to our businesses, now we need to take the next step and determine which type of automation would be best for our company with your budget. Before making any final choices, we should give our talented team a call. We can reach out to them with only a product, and they can build business custom automated and robotic systems for our exact needs. Three types of automations are possible. One is hard automation, programmable automation, and soft automation. The details are given below, as the types of automation is fixed. Fixed means large or large volume single part production. Programmable, that is associated with batch production, and flexible means that real time or on demand production. Hard automation, which is a fixed automation also. This type of automation refers to the use of a specialized equipment used to automate fixed sequences of assembly and processing operations. The operations within the sequence or hard automations are typically simple, meaning they involve plain linear motion and rotational motion. In special cases, the two methods of motion can be combined. It's hard to accommodate changes in product design with hard automation. The typical features of a fixed automation are high initial investment for custom engineered equipment, high production rates, and relatively flexible in accommodating product changes. The economic justification or fixed and automation is found in products with very high demand rates and volumes. The high initial cost of the equipment can be spread over a very large number of units, thus making the unit cost attractive compared to alternative methods of production. Examples of fixed automation include mechanized assembly and machining transfer lines. Programmable automation, which is flexible because you can change it, modify according to the requirement. So this type of automation is designed with the ability to change operation sequences that allows for the accommodation of varied product configuration. Operation sequences get controlled by a program that is based strictly of instructions into the system. New programs can be continually entered into equipment for the sake of producing new products. Some of the features that characterize programmable automation are high investment in general purpose equipment, low production rates relative to fixed automation, flexibility to deal with changes in product configuration, and most suitable for batch production. Automated production systems that are programmable are used in low and medium volume production. The parts or products are typically made in batches. To produce each new batch to a different product, the system must be reprogrammed with the set of machine instructions that corresponds to the new product. The physical setup of the machine need also to be changed. Tools must be loaded, fixtures must be attached to the machine, may also be changed with the machine settings. The changeover procedure takes time. Consequently, the typical cycle for given product includes a period during which the setup and reprogramming takes place, following by a period in which the batch is produced. Examples of programmed automation include numerically controlled machine tools and industrial robots. Self-automation or flexible automation. This type of automation is considered an extension of programmable automation. Flexible automation systems are capable of creating a wide variety of parts with only limited amounts of time loss. during changeovers. The same can be said for production time when users are reprogramming systems and also altering their physical setup. The feature of flexible automation can be summarized as follows: high investment for a custom engineered system, continuous production of various fixtures of products, medium production rates, flexibility to deal with product design. The essential features that distinguish flexible automation from programmable automation are the capacity to change part programs, the no lost production time, and the capacity or capability to change over the physical setup again with no lost production time. These features allow the automated production system to continue production without the downtime between batches that is characteristic of programmable automation. Changing the part program is generally accomplished by preparing the programs offline on a computer system and electronically transmitting the programs to the automated production system. Therefore, the time required to do the programming for the next job does not interrupt production on the current job. Advances in computer systems technology are largely responsible for this production programming capabilities in flexible automation. Changing the physical setup between parts is accomplished by making the changeover offline and then moving into place simultaneously as the next part comes into the position for processing. The use of fixtures that holds the parts and transfer into position at the workplace is one way of implementing this approach. For these approaches to be successful, the variety of parts that can be made on a flexible automated production system is usually more limited than a system controlled by a programmable automation. Benefits of automation: improved quality, consistency, time savings, metric visibility, enhanced operational efficiency, better governance, reliability, reduced turnaround time, reduced costs of operation, etc. Thank you.